What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the 876 Zone TV, and of course it's me, Anisha. And the video that I will be, well, there's not a video for this song. It's a Beres Hammond song. It's called Groovy Little Thing. No video, no defeat. It's just the music. So we just go listen to the music, all our vibes, enjoy ourselves as usual. So me not go talk too long on this thing. I will just go get into the thing and listen to some nice music, you see me? So without further ado, guys, let's do this.
Many did try but couldn't steal my honey. Many did try but couldn't get her love. Some fool did try to trick her with his money.
Yo, very squad strong. Very say someone try fi look the woman and not get her, and some try fi fool her with money and not get the girl. So it look like a Beres have the thing for the girl. A Beres, but with that device there, then Beres couldn't get anyone. Beres, Uncle Beres. You see, if me never married, say me feel say me born in the wrong year. If me never married Uncle Beres. Alright, back to the song.
Turn around and wonder what she is made of. She just loves this groovy little thing we got going. It will last as long as her heart's so beating. She just loves this groovy little thing we got going.
Pause. Yo. She just loves this groovy little thing we got going. I wonder what that mean. I wonder if that a code for something else. What do you think? If you say a code for something else, Uncle Beres, you're smart. Me like your thing, you're not too, crude, but something. Alright, play a tune.
It will last as long as her heart's so beating. Many did try, but she would not leave me. Many did try to tell her lies about me. Sometimes the things they say, Lord knows would hurt me.
You better say, many try to mash up the relationship, tell lie about him, tell lie upon him, and she's still there, you see me? We know where you go. Play a tune.
With a smile, she just ignored their silly tries. She just loved this groovy little thing we got going. And it will last as long as her heart's are beating. The woman just...
Pause. Boy, I don't know. I'm not... Alright, how should I say this? These songs that I am doing the reviews on, if you notice, these songs are old school music. Not to say that I don't listen to newer songs, but these types of songs are songs that I grew up listening to at my parents' house. So the type of song are just kind of nostalgic, and me just always like the idea and the memories that these kind of songs bring back to my childhood. Because let me tell you something, when I say Sunday evening time, after we eat dinner and food digest, I play Beres, I play Skeeter Davis, I play Dennis Brown, I play Sanchez. You see me? Gospel in the morning and road say, hey, I want to know. Play a tune.
Love this groovy little thing we got going. And it will last as long as our hearts are beating. Many did try but couldn't steal my honey.
Pause. Many try but could not steal my honey. Play.
Many did try but couldn't get your love.
Pause. Many try but could not get your love. See?
Some fool that tried to trick her with his money. Yeah. Turn around and wonder what she is made of. I guess she just loved this groovy little thing we got going. And it will last as long as her heart's so beating. The woman just loved this groovy little thing we got.
Pause. Hey Beres, you know say you're one of them man the way you not have much. You not have whole heap of money, you not have whole heap of material things, but you have what to keep your woman a yard. You have it locked. Me like you, me like your Uncle Beres. Me need to link you and get some tips, you see me?
And it will last as long as her heart's so beating. I think that you just love this groovy little thing we got going. And it will last as long as her heart's so
Pause. Hey. That song you have a buzz, you know, man. That song you have a vibe when you're there, woman. You're cleaning, you know, man. And you're cooking, you're washing, you know, man. And you just bust a Beres and you're bucky ready, you know, man. And you just there and you're there. You don't even remember say you're clean. You don't even remember say you're cook. The vibe just nice. Clear.
the woman just loves this groovy little thing she has for her. Woman just loves
Song good, man. Like me said, that song you just have a buzz, you just have a vibe, you know. You just want, when you're clean and you do little chores around your house, you just play some Beres and the vibe just nice and chill and mellow, man. You just want to rock and dance and you're there in your yard, you know, in like COVID time, you know, the woman now doing little work on the laptop and you just, and you did there, you know, you make your few calls and Beres in the background and you're just nice and mellow. Nobody now mash up your meds, nobody now go mash up your day, you understand? So that's it, guys. That was Beres Hammond, Groovy Little Thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let's build the thing, join the thing. You don't know, mom life, thug life, and you don't know the thing set already. So thank you again for joining. And once again, leave a comment down below. Let me guys know what type of music you'd like me to do a review to, and I'll do that for you guys. So I really enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the vibe as well. So see you in the next video, I guess. All right. So once again, guys, thank you for joining. See you on the next video, and I'm out.